Hello guys, Shafqat here and welcome to my channel, and today I will show you what settings you need to change right now for the File Explorer to make it more appealing and more clean for your Windows 10. So let's get started. So first of all, as you can see here, if we click File Explorer from the taskbar, you can see here it direct open in the quick access. So to change the setting so that it can open in the drive section or this PC section, we have to go to the view tab, then we will go to the options, and here you can see open File Explorer to. We will change it from quick access to this PC, and we'll just unmark this and apply these settings and press OK. So if we close this, if we open it from the File Explorer again, you can see here it direct opens in the PC section. So this is a setting which will make it more easier for you to access your files. So we will just make it more appealing here. So first of all, we will just close this folder and we will just tap in the view tab, and we will just navigation panel, we will just turn it off, and you can see here it's looking more cleaner. And then we will just close the upper panel so that it will look more cleaner. So if you enjoyed this video, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. See ya.